Every day, millions of consumers turn to online reviews, comments, and photos from other users to guide what they buy. But here's the catch. 62% of consumers believe they've seen fake user-generated content, and more than half worry that platforms are removing real posts. So why do people trust some online content but not others? It comes down to digital trust, the confidence people have in information they can't easily verify. So how do you build that trust? Follow these 4 tips. Let's start with authenticity. Suspicion of fake or exaggerated content stops consumers from connecting with what they see. Badges, verified purchase tags, and helpfulness ratings signal that real people stand behind their words. When identity is verified, consumers are far more likely to trust and act. Tip 2. Encourage unfiltered content. Photo filters and digital touch-ups might make posts prettier, but they make them less believable. When consumers see real people and real experiences, they engage more deeply and brands perform better. Tip 3. Keep content complete. When old posts or reviews disappear, consumers start to wonder what was removed and why. Encourage transparency and consistency. Creators who leave their full story visible build stronger credibility over time. Tip 4. Adapt your approach to the platform climate. When headlines question how platforms monitor or censor content, audiences start to wonder what they're not seeing. In those moments, quick and visible signals, likes, polls, and votes, feel more trustworthy than long posts or reviews. Digital trust is the foundation of every online interaction. When brands commit to authenticity and transparency, user-generated content doesn't just inform, it drives action.